Good evening, everyone. But I wanted to take this opportunity to unbox this. It's a Harman Kardon Invoke smart speaker, $49.99. Without further ado, let us try to break the vacuum on this box. Oh, there it is. Nice presentation. I wasn't expecting that. Get it off. A lot of vacuum in there. Nothing on the bottom there. Twist, and we're good. There it is. Oh, it has that new thing smell. So there's a blue light that'll come up here. Nifty little feature, a circular ring for turning the volume up and down. You have a micro USB port, old-fashioned technology. A DC plug. I don't really know why they included the micro USB port. If there's a DC power plug, looks like it's a service port. That could be fun. We have a microphone silence button and a Bluetooth button, so you can pair it with a Bluetooth device and use it as a regular Bluetooth speaker. This thing has three 1 3/4 inch woofers and 3 1/2 inch tweeters for a total combination of 6 speakers that bring you 360-degree omnidirectional listening pleasure. Oh, I forgot about the goodies inside the bottom of this box. Well, we obviously need like that. Here is our power brick. Let's dig in here. We got empty box now. We got manuals, but who needs them anyway? Hi, Cortana. Cool. Whatever this is. How to plug it in. We're gonna plug this thing in. That nice little port on the bottom there. We have a light. Is it gonna say hi? Are you going to say hi to me? Speak. We have action. We have light.
Hi there, I'm Cortana. I'm here to help.
Oh my gosh.
Let's get your Harman Kardon Invoke ready to use. We'll set it up from the Cortana app on your phone or PC, so go grab that first. Then type "Set up my Invoke."
Type?